If you care about your thyroid health, this video is for you. Today, we're talking about foods that help prevent hypothyroidism and hyperthyroidism. We'll go over what to eat, what to avoid, and some easy tips to keep your thyroid happy and healthy. Before we dive into the foods, let's quickly talk about the thyroid gland. It's a butterfly-shaped gland in your neck that controls your metabolism, energy, and even your mood. Understanding its function is key to maintaining overall health and well-being. But when it's not working properly, you can have hypothyroidism, underactive thyroid, or hyperthyroidism, overactive thyroid. Okay now, hypothyroidism. This happens when your thyroid is slow and doesn't produce enough hormones. Symptoms include fatigue, weight gain, and dry skin. Here are some foods that support your thyroid. Foods rich in iodine. Seaweed, iodized salt, and seafood like shrimp and cod. Foods packed with selenium, with Brazilian nuts, sunflower seeds, and tuna. Food with zinc sources. Oysters, beef, pumpkin seeds, and chickpeas. Protein and amino acid sources. Chicken, fish, dairy, almonds, and avocados. Foods rich with antioxidants. Berries, leafy greens, and bell peppers to fight inflammation. But be careful. Some foods can slow your thyroid if eaten in large amounts. That's why you need to consult your doctor for a correct diet. Very important. The good news, your diet can help. Limit raw vegetables like broccoli, cabbage, and Brussels sprouts. But don't worry, cooking them reduces their effect. If your thyroid gland does not make enough thyroid hormone, watch your soy intake, tofu, soy milk, soybeans, and avoid too much processed sugar and gluten. Now, let's talk about hyperthyroidism, when your thyroid is overactive and produces too much hormone. This can lead to weight loss, anxiety, and a fast heartbeat. Here are the best foods to help calm an overactive thyroid. Cabbage family veggies. Yes, the ones we just warned about for hypothyroidism. Like cabbage, kale, and Brussels sprouts can help slow down an overactive thyroid. Antioxidant-rich foods like blueberries, green tea, and turmeric help reduce inflammation. Healthy proteins like chicken, lentils, and quinoa support energy levels. Calcium-rich foods like dairy, almonds, and sardines protect your bones from hyperthyroidism effects. Magnesium-rich foods like avocados, nuts, and dark chocolate help regulate your thyroid. And what should you avoid? Too much iodine. Stay away from seaweed, shellfish, and iodized salt. Caffeine and stimulants like coffee and energy drinks, as they can make symptoms worse. Processed and sugary foods that increase inflammation. So, to keep your thyroid happy and balanced, eat a variety of whole, nutrient-rich foods. Stay hydrated. Manage stress, because stress affects thyroid function too. Exercise regularly to support your metabolism. And that's it! Taking care of your thyroid doesn't have to be complicated. Donald, just make smart food choices. But always consult with your doctor for accurate protocol. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more health tips.